Prime Minister Andrew Holness is this evening promising strict safety and health guidelines for the cruise industry when it resumes. Mr. Holness says he will not allow any carelessness to take place. The cruise sector is expected to resume imminently in Jamaica after it was halted for over a year due to the pandemic. The details in this report.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says cruise vessels will return to Jamaica very soon. It is an announcement that is likely to send a chill down the spine of Jamaicans who are wary of the possibility of imported cases of the contagious variants of COVID-19 through the visitors. But Mr. Holness says he will not allow any carelessness when the industry resumes, explaining that it will operate under established health guidelines.
With strict protocols that will enable persons who have had their livelihoods decimated by the pandemic to have some hope even. And at the same time, with the maintenance of the protocols, that no life is lost because of complacency or carelessness.
The Prime Minister also reaffirmed his plans for major developments in two historic port towns in Jamaica.
People see the cruise ship terminal across the harbor here at Port Royal as just an investment in a port. That's not the end all of the strategy. This is about the redevelopment of the entire Port Royal. When this pandemic is past, we will be in a stronger, advantageous position by having Port Royal. And we will move very quickly to do the same for Falmouth in Trelawney. We have the port there. We are investing in the port, but we are also investing in the town, and we will in fact create a new township right there in Falmouth.
Mr. Holness was speaking Wednesday at the official commissioning ceremony for the Jamaica 3 utility vessel. The ship is the newest addition to the Port Authority of Jamaica's fleet. The ship will, among other things, help clean up the country's ports in the event of pollution events such as oil spills. Cody Ann Barrett, TVJ News.